how to create a pencil sketch design similar to this in Photoshop. Open an image in Photoshop, then go to Image menu and Duplicate. Click OK. Go to the Edit menu and Fill and set to white and click OK. Go to the Rectangle tool in the Tools panel. With that, set to Shape in the top left and also set the fill to nothing. Just set there. With the stroke, set it to 2 or 3, up to you, and black. Apply the rectangle multiple times to this document. And you can apply it 20, 30 times, up to you. You can also, of course, vary the stroke width. Simply go up here and just set it to a different value, something like 3 or 4, and apply again. Once you're happy, go to the Layer menu and Flatten Image. Go to the Layers panel, then click this little log, and now you can resize the design. Create multiple copies of this design. Fill the entire image with this. You can also, of course, vary the size, maybe rotate as well. A very quick and easy way of creating a complex design. Go to the Layer menu and again, Flatten Image. You've got one layer now. Go back to the original image. Go to the Filter menu and down to Neural Filters. Then go to Style Transfer. You should find that in the Featured section of all filters. So click there and click there to make it on. However, you may have to download it, so it's possible there'll be a download. So click that if you haven't got it. However, you've got here presets. You've got lots of presets, artist styles, image styles, etc. They're all excellent. Custom, that's what you want. Click there and select an image. Now the one you want, just select that. Select that file that you've just created. And as soon as you see that, you've got the preview there. It may take a few seconds to process. You can also modify the strength. So just increase the strength maybe to 40 or 50. You can also change the style opacity as well as detail and also brightness, saturation, etc. You can now see your sketched result. Once you're happy with it, click OK. By default, it creates a new layer. You can see the sketch result as layer 1. You can blend these if you wish with the original image. Just go up here and darken, multiply, etc. You may prefer just to go to Layer and then Flatten Image. You can also go to Image menu and Auto Tone. Of course, if you create a different design for the start point for this sketch, you will get a different result. So just try out different ways of doing things. Maybe lines or circles, maybe rectangles or triangles, mixing them with stars, etc. to create different sketch results. Hope you found this tutorial of interest. Thank you much.